Friends, how are you? Okay, today we are going to learn about the calcium calmodulin system. This is the system of transduction of a hormone signal in which binding of a hormone to a receptor on the cell membrane stimulates the G protein to activate a specific membrane channel, for example ligand gated calcium channel, through which calcium from the extracellular fluid enters into the cell. Increased intracellular calcium changes cell function by various mechanisms. First, in this system, calcium is the second messenger for hormone action. Calcium is also metabolized for the intracellular storage sites like mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. In many tissues, secretion of calcium from the intracellular storage sites triggers opening of calcium channels in the cell membrane. This is called store-operated calcium influx. This further increases the calcium concentration in the cell and replaces calcium in endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. Store-operated calcium influx is mediated through inositol triphosphate. Calcium then binds with many intracellular calcium binding proteins. One of the important calcium binding protein is calmodulin. Calmodulin dependent kinases. Calmodulin is a polypeptide containing 148 amino acid and has 4 calcium binding domains. When calcium binds with the calmodulin, it activates different calmodulin dependent kinases. There are various calmodulin dependent kinases in the cell. The important kinases are myosin light chain kinase that cause phosphorylation of myosin. Phosphorylase kinase that causes phosphorylation of many intracellular proteins. Other important kinases are calcium calmodulin kinase 1, 2, 3. Kinases 1, 2 are concerned with synaptic function and kinase 3 involved in protein synthesis. Likewise, there are many kinases that involved in various cell functions. Calcium binding proteins. The calcium binding proteins in the cells are calmodulin, troponin and calbindin. The troponin is the calcium binding protein present in the skeletal muscle involved in muscle contraction. Calcinarium, a calmodulin activated protein, is a phosphatase which inactivates calcium channel through dephosphorylation. Calcinarium also participates in immunity by activating T cell. When the hormone reacts with the receptor in the cell membrane, it activates the release of calcium from the intracellular components like endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. It is regulated by the inositol triphosphate. Due to the release of calcium from the endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria, it activates the storage-operated calcium channel for the entry of calcium from the ligand-gated channels into the intracytoplasm. Due to the increase in the calcium in the cell, intracytolic calcium also increases. Due to the influx of calcium in the cell causes increases cytosolic calcium. Due to increased calcium in the cell, it binds with the calcium binding proteins. It causes the physiological effects in the body. And our next topic is rapid functions of steroids. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.